A continuación, Lección Educativa de Inglés, séptimo grado. Bloque 3, Reflexión sobre la lengua. Secuencia 4, How to classify words. Programa 26, Derivation. Expectativa de logro. Entiende la derivación de las palabras, nominalización y adjetivación. Conoce la palabra raíz, prefijos y sufijos. Conoce los campos semánticos, sinonimia, homonimia y antonimia.
Hola, en esta lección educativa haremos un pequeño estudio sobre el uso de los adjetivos y algunas de las relaciones que ellos implican. The adjective. The adjective is a word that accompanies the noun to determine or qualify it. It expresses characteristics or properties attributed to a noun, whether they are concrete, the green book, the big book, or abstract, the difficult book. Synonym. When two words are said to be synonymous, it refers to the fact that there is a relationship of equal meaning between them, meaning that they can both be used to express the same thing. For example, sick and ill are often used to mean the same thing, as well as happy and glad. Homonym. Homonym is a lexical relationship that is established between two words. They display formal identity, phonic or graphic, but differ in meaning. They are words that have different meaning even though they're spelled or are pronounced the same. Antonym. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. For example, hot and cold are antonyms, as are good and bad. The derivation. The derivation is a process of creating a new word out of an old word, usually by adding a prefix or suffix, such as happiness and unhappy. Both of these words derive from the same adjective, happy. A contrast is projected with the inflection process, which uses another class of affixes in order to form variants of the same word. As with the verb determine, determines, determining, determined. A derivational suffix is usually applied to words from one syntactic category and changes them into other words from another syntactic category. For example, the derivational suffix ly changes adjectives into verbs. Slow turns into slowly. Now, let's see an explanation of what prefixes and suffixes are and how they change the meaning of words. Prefixes and suffixes. They are grammatical elements that are added to a word in order to change its meaning. A prefix goes at the beginning of a word. A suffix goes at the end. Now we'll look at an example of a prefix. Let's take the verb pack and add the prefix un, which means reversing the action of something. Let's use it in a sentence. I unpack my suitcase as soon as I get home. Now let's see an example for a suffix. We'll take the word thought and add the suffix less. The suffix less means the lack of something. Here's how it would look in an example. His actions were thoughtless. Now, let's see some more examples of prefixes and suffixes. The prefix pre means before. What does the word preview mean? A preview appears before watching a TV show or movie. The movie started off with a funny preview. The suffix er, when added to a verb, refers to the person who performs the action. For example, a dancer is a person who can dance. The dancer swayed to the beat of the song. In the following exercise, use a prefix to find the opposite of these verbs. 1. Wrap, unwrap. 2. Use, misuse. 3. Agree, disagree. 4. Engage, disengage. 5. Behave, misbehave. 6. Understand, misunderstand. 7. Fold, unfold. 8. Connect, disconnect. 9. Close, disclose. 10. Do, undo. Examples of suffixes. 1. Beauty, beautiful. 2. Possible, possibility. 3. Heavy, heaviness. 4. Slow, slowly. 5. Care, careless. 6. Jump, jumped. 7. Soft, soften. 8. Big, bigger. 9. Intern, internship. 10. Loud, louder. Thanks for watching.